afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Yeah. You know, the time has come. You see, I come to BSB here every time. And I ask, where are the Rastas? Where are the man them who really love black people and really defending people? Capleton come around and him give him 2 pence to rate that. Now, fireman, big up yourself for that. Right now, Sizzla give him version 2. Now we have Buju giving him version. Buju say now we no mask. Take a listen to that one here. And remember, like, share and subscribe. Peace.
Well, someone said I and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright. Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart why you haven't found the cure for cancer. You are both all out in a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. A man no for mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with the boat, I'm gonna fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.